Pie charts are a visual tool used to display unique values to a total. Here's a chart of our company's budget by department. Let's select the data we want to visualize. Click on the Insert tab. Head over to the Chart section of the toolbar and choose the pie chart option. Let's personalize our chart and make it more appealing. Adjusting its size and position is easy. Click the chart area and drag any of the small circles at the chart's corners until it's the perfect size. Next, let's rename the chart. Click on the chart title text and type in a title that reflects your data. Enhancing the chart's appearance is straightforward. Click on the chart area or use the Design tab. The Chart Tools section allows you to customize the color of each slice and add data labels. Now it's time for your chart to shine. Enlarge and format your chart text for readability. Don't be afraid to get creative with background colors, rounded corners, and enhanced chart layouts to suit your modeling or presentation needs. And that's how you create and customize a simple pie chart in Excel.